So this is wonderful morning. Soon I have arrived to Angkor Wat. So you can see. If you've never been to Cambodia, you got to come to Cambodia. So this is the temple in Cambodia, which is named Angkor Wat. It's one of the most iconic temple, which is built in early of 12th century. This is originally built as the Hindu temple, but you know, the views from this majestic temple is absolutely, healing to everybody feeling. If you are plan to see the temple in early morning, I would strongly recommend you guys to come and visit this temple in early morning. It's such a beautiful colors and beautiful scene and beautiful nature, and everything is gorgeous.